Hey guys, it's Vic Dorfman, and I want to take a quick. All right, let's start again. Mic check 1 2. What's my motivation? I want to take a quick second to talk about among the many benefits of waking up early. What I found to be maybe the biggest benefit of all, um, and this isn't immediately obvious because it doesn't. It depends how you start your day, right? So a lot of people, including myself, most people they get out of bed, shower, brush their teeth, do their essential stuff, and then they jump right into their day. And I've found that that is a very suboptimal way to begin your day, because the way that you begin your day is the way that is the energy. Sorry to use a hippie word, but it's the energy that the rest of the day carries through. And there's sort of a lot of different routines you can do. There's a My Miracle Morning. Maybe some of you guys have heard of that. But the point being that if you start your day, you wake up early and you spend some time with yourself, for yourself. And that could look a number of different ways. So one thing that I like to do in the morning is to do some calisthenic type exercise. I take a freezing cold shower. If I'm in I've got an airplane coming in overhead. Take a freezing cold shower whenever there's cold water available, because I'm usually in Thailand and water here is usually lukewarm. I'll just let this plane pass real quick. I'm right by an airport here in northern Thailand. So so some calisthenics, really cold shower. Then I take a drop of nicotine under my tongue and I meditate. And it's really interesting about meditation is it's kind of a muscle. If you don't use it, you lose the knack of it a little bit. Especially the part where you kind of watch your thoughts and you're trying to enter into that witnessing type. I don't know how many of you guys are familiar with sort of meditation, but sort of my object when I'm doing it is just to try to observe my thoughts. And it gets trippy too. It gets pretty psychedelic. Sometimes your mind goes into very strange places. And then you could do stuff like Wim Hof breathing. You can do, I don't know, you could read, you could write a little bit. The point is this, that you're starting your day on your terms, at your pace. You're not rushing. You're not rushing to go straight to work, to go straight to the gym, you're just spending, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, just hanging out, getting limber, getting your mind right, getting your body right, getting your spirit right. And the beautiful thing of that whole situation is that at the end of even an hour, let's say you woke up at 7 or even at 8, at the end of an hour, it's still early. You haven't spent your whole day. Now, if you do that same thing at 11 a.m. or 12 or noon, you're like, man, my day, it's time for lunch. Basically, my day is over. Here comes another airplane. I'm right, yeah, they're one right after the other. Basically, up here in Chiang Mai, it's just like airplane city, pretty much. And they're building a second airport. Can you believe that? So that's kind of all I wanted to say today. I'm not speaking very well this morning. Maybe I should do some diction exercises in the morning. That's actually a good idea. So Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers, and just do that 20 times. It helps. I don't know. So, guys, take that for what it is, and let me know if you have any questions. Ciao.